Testing 1 2 3. Mnanisikia? Well, kama ni hivyo basi, let me begin. Tunapotembea barabarani au pia kutumia magari, we admire the scenes, kwani ya macho ni kutazama. But do we feel it? Our surroundings, our findings, the things around us, and the things that happen around us. Juu mimi nimechoka na status quo, na so I had to speak. Juu nisipobonga, who else will? But before nibonge, a little something to bring to your attention. Mandugu, dunia ni moja. We have no plan B, C, or D. Na kwa hivyo, issue number 1. Unapotupa chupa through that car window, jiulize wa kuiokota ni nani? Juu ni aibu sana. We all say we are animal lovers, lakini si mnyama ni mnyama. Mbwa zimefanywa hooligan wa mtaa. Where is our humanity? Wapi utu jameni? Jiulize wa kuzilinda ni nani? If not me, then who? Juu ni aibu sana. They say on the tourist pamphlets, welcome to the green city in the sun. Yet the same people walitaka express highway to cut through Uhuru Park ndio wafike airport on time. I mean, a legend stood among us na akatufunza planting trees is the way, yet we spit on her face. Tunadai trees have no say. Ni aibu sana. We see so much budgetary money invested in the Ministry of Environment, yet so little is done. Tunashangaa, kwani doo yetu inaenda kwa blender? Ironically, wanadai kununulia mayouth wheelbarrows, wakati people living in umoja hawana maji. How is the math? How do they do it? Why do they even bother? Juu ni aibu sana. Wacha nikome hapo for now, cause I know nikibonga sana I might be in trouble. I have no lawyer, and they play judge and jury to the common mwananchi. We rekebisha the people around you. Tuchunge hii narrative, for time is ticking, na if we do nothing, tutawaka like fire and brimstone. Achana na Sodom na Gomorrah. Join me, speak for nature, but do not only speak, act and do something around you. Mali umetoka, panda mti leo kesho. It is enough, for the little you do goes a long way, and the change does not start until you make a decision. That being said, asanteni sana. And as we go to hit 100, I ask you to tell a friend to tell a friend. Climate change is real. The world is under siege, and we can change the narrative before the story is told. Goodbye, and I'll see you next time.